Hey, so working on this Indian. See, it's an Indian. It leaks like a sieve. Let's see, actually, I'll put the light on. Pull the primary cover off. It's a belt drive, so we don't have to worry about it. Well, we don't have to worry about primary oil coming out. We may have another issue. This can doesn't look like much strip. So I just got this cover loose. This is supposed to be dry inside because it's a belt drive. I just had a bunch of oil dump out in the pan here. You can see it. See the oil in the pan coming out, so likely there's a main oil seal maybe going out on it. I'll try and figure this out. Could be transmission too. So what we got here is a big puddle of oil. See if I can get some light on the subject.
I'll never learn how to do it like him.
You can actually see oil dripping out of this thing. The clutch basket looks like it's dry around there. It's probably not an issue. Now I got this off because he's complaining there's a noise up in this part of the bike, but the inspection on this, I mean that's a typical noise you hear with this style clutch pack, especially dry. We'll figure it out. Issues inside this thing.
Do you think there's issues?
I think there's serious issues inside this freaking cylinder.
No, it's still on.
Bouncing around the bottom of it.
From marks in the back of the cylinder.
So we kind of missed a bunch of steps here.
Well. I found that Allen wrench.
No, you didn't. Where was that?
It fell in this bucket here.
So we'll come around the other side. Now remember we told you there was no noise in here because that was good to go. Well, he thinks it's probably this nasty scraping here that's associated with that piston. It's not supposed to look like sandpaper inside the engine.
Hey, here's all the boxes right here.
This is the other side.
What size camera should I use to get these in, kid?
Plastic hammer with a socket on top.
And then I suspect that pieces that came from this is
Here's the pipe.
maybe some missing bearings further down in the crankcase.
It's right here.
Which one did you say was the socket?
So this is the Indian with the S&S engine.
Junk S&S.
It's junk.
Junk.
Because of this, it's likely that everything inside of that, including cams, bearings, everything else, and even that S&S oil pump, is probably shredded. More to come.